WhatsApp has a 98% open rate. Your emails don't stand a chance. I'm going to show you how to send fully automated, personalized WhatsApp messages using Make.com. No code, no faff, just results. If you're running a small business or freelancing and you're still manually messaging customers about orders, leads, or appointments, this is going to change your life. We're building a Make.com scenario that watches for new data, a form submission, a new order, whatever you've got, and fires off a personalized WhatsApp message automatically. You'll need a Make.com account and a WhatsApp Business API provider. I'll walk you through both. Let's get into it. First things first, you can't plug WhatsApp directly into Make.com without an API provider sitting in the middle. I'm using 360 Dialog here. It's the cheapest route, and there's a link in the description to get set up. Twilio works too if you're already on it. Once your 360 Dialog account's live and your WhatsApp business number is approved, head into Make.com. Click Create a new scenario. Hit the big plus button in the canvas center. Search for HTTP. We'll use the HTTP module to call 360 Dialog's API directly. Select Make a Request. Now in the URL field, paste your 360 Dialog API endpoint. It looks like HTTPS with the 360 Dialog IO1 messages. Set method to post. Dead easy start. Right, the HTTP module is your action, but you need a trigger telling Make.com when to run it. Click the little clock icon to the left of your HTTP module on the canvas. That's where your trigger goes. Hit the plus on the trigger slot. For most of you, your trigger will be a new row in Google Sheets, a Typeform submission, or a Shopify order. I'm using Google Sheets here. Search Sheets, select Google Sheets, then pick Watch New Rows. Click Connect, sign in with your Google account, then select your spreadsheet and sheet name from the drop-downs. Set where to start to from now on. That means it only fires on new entries, not your entire history. Here's the bit people mess up. Always set a sensible polling interval. Set it to every 15 minutes under the schedule settings. Now let's wire up that HTTP module so it sends a real personalized message. Click on your HTTP module to open its settings panel on the right. Under Headers, click Add Item. Set the header name to D360 API key and the value to your 360 Dialog API key. Grab that from your 360 Dialog's dashboard. Now under Body, set body type to RAW and content type to JSON. Here's where it gets fun. Paste in your JSON payload. Use WhatsApp's approved template format. You'll need a pre-approved template name from your Meta Business Manager. In the parameters array, click into the text value fields and use Make's dynamic data picker. Click the little puzzle piece icon to pull in your customer's name, order ID, or appointment time straight from your Google Sheet columns. That personalization right there is what makes this feel human. This is critical. Get this wrong, and Meta will shut down your WhatsApp number. WhatsApp has a 24-hour messaging window. If a customer messaged you within the last 24 hours, you can send a free-form reply. Outside that window, which is basically every automated outbound message, you must use a pre-approved message template. Those templates live in your Meta Business Manager under WhatsApp Manager, then Message Templates. Create your template there, submit it for review, and wait for the green approved status. Takes a few hours usually. Back in Make.com, make sure your JSON payload uses the type field set to template and your template name matches exactly what's approved in Meta. Spelling, underscores, everything. Trust me, one typo and it silently fails. Add a filter after your trigger. Click the spanner icon between modules and set a condition to only proceed if your customer phone field is not empty. Right, let's make sure this actually works before it goes live. Click Run once in the bottom left. That's your test run button. Make.com will pull in one row from your sheet and attempt to fire the WhatsApp message. Check the bubble above the HTTP module. A green tick means it worked. A red exclamation means something's off. Click the bubble to inspect the full request and response. If you see a 401, your API key's wrong. A 400 usually means your JSON payload's malformed. Double-check your template name. Once it's passing, add an error handler. Right-click your HTTP module, select Add Error Handler, choose Ignore if you want the scenario to continue, even if one message fails. Then click the blue Activate Scenario toggle at the bottom. That's it. Seriously, that's all it takes. Your scenario is live and watching for new rows around the clock. The free Make.com scenario blueprint for everything we just built is in the description. Grab it, import it, and you're halfway there. Links for Make.com and 360 Dialog are down there too. If this saved you time, smash the like button and subscribe. Next tutorial drops this week. Drop your WhatsApp use case in the comments. I read every single one.